What to eat today? What to eat? Oh, I'll take this. Ooh. It's yummy. Yummy.
So, I was just out skating, but here is my item. A toe jam, tangerine, orange, and elderberry, some kind of jam, I guess. It's mostly sugar. So, yeah. Here we are.
Hi, it's John. Here I am at the isolation bunker here on Chatfield Drive, and Chris Cherry's asked to see what is the most random thing in the refrigerator. So let's see what we got. Let's see, we've got bread, we got eggs, we got milk, we got coffee, creamer, but oh yeah, here's some lactose, gluten-free pimento cheese, but here's the most random thing. Look, it's a thing saying that Chris Cherry is our new youth minister. How random is that? I mean, look, here's Chris Cherry being all athletic, and here's Tori and Chris, and look how myopic they are. Margot is in none of their pictures. I mean, how snooty are they? But anyway, that's the most random thing I found in my fridge, is a thing saying that Chris Cherry will be the youth minister of First Baptist.
I like to keep my controllers cold.